What's up, guys? Today we have a 2017 Tacoma with not too bad of a dent in it, but it is crushed way back here, and it'll buckle up there. So it's some deformation down here too. Let's see if we can't make it look nice again. What's up, guys? We'll be buying some of this stuff, solid blitz. Will come with a piece of paper like this. You do exactly what it says on here, you'll have good success. And that's what I'm gonna do right now. That is what we call a one and done dent. One glue pull, some crown work, some pick work on the back with some GPR rods, and it's ready for paint. Not paint, it's ready for color. The finished product.